I'm so young when it comes to loving, when it comes to loving, I'm so young. I'm a fool when it comes to showing, when it comes to showing my love. You know, the original language was song, you know, and then song got bastardized into speech. And then speech got bastardized into writing. See? And then writing got bastardized into, like, you know, books and printing, everything. And then education, you know? And this linear aspect of education and intellect over that of the intuitive mind, you see? And so all this is what they call development, but it's a development in the wrong way. It's a development in the, you know, where everybody wants to take tranquilizers and some sort of getting you by routine. So, the internal aspects of the highest aspects of the self is that you're a bird inside, you know, a child inside, you know, and so that's where everything is. So if you really get to it, I'm so young when it comes to loving, when it comes to loving, I'm so young, so young, so young to really be in love. You know, I wrote that song when I was 17, and so it's a long way after. And how you return back, what I call returning, well, I'm returning back to the womb that I never left, and where I received my blessing to be a Nazir. And so I never left. And so we get out of lineality, and we get out of the idea of writing a 1,000-page novel. It's printed on that press there, and all we do is sing like birds, you know.